Hello, welcome to TechSharmit. In this session, we will cover the further values from the RTVSYSVAL command. So in order to explain the same, I am taking this program in edit mode. Here you can see that we have declared three variables, and these variables I have declared by referring the IBM official website. So you can also go through it, and there you will get to know about what should be the data type, what should be the length of the variable. Okay. So once the variable declaration is done, then you can simply write RTVSYSVAL and then just simply press F4. So once you press F4, here we need to pass two values. First one is the first in this field you have to pass the value which you want to retrieve from the system. In the second field, you just need to pass the variable where we want to hold the output. Okay. Now if you want to know more about these values, like what values we are fetching and how we will come to know like what should be the name here, so in that case you can directly press F1 on this field screen on this field. So just press F1 and then you will see this help window where you will find all those possible values that we can retrieve from the sysval command, RTVSYSVAL command. So just you can refer it from here. Here you will find the description as well as the name. So these are the values that we have already covered in our previous sessions. So I'm now taking directly to you to the value that we are going to discuss today. So yeah, so this is the value that we are going to discuss today, which is QIGCFNTSIZ, which means double byte code point size. Okay, used along with the system value QIGCDEFNT. So it will basically dependent on this double byte code font. They will be used when transforming SNA character string into advanced function printing data stream, and when creating an AFPDS spool file with the shift in and shift out characters present in the data. So what are the possible values? First possible values is star none, which means that no point size is identified to the system. The point size selected by the system based on the type of the printer used. Now second possible output is this range, which is from 000.1 to 9999.9, means the point size for the double byte code font. Okay, so this is the value. Now the second value we are going to discuss is QINACTIVity. So here you can see it is written inactive interactive job timeout interval in minutes. Okay, so now let's see what are the possible value for this command. Here you can also refer the site, it is given here. You can learn more about this value, what actually it is. Okay, but for now we will just go through the possible outcome. So possible outcome is star none, which means that the system does not check for the inactivity. Okay, so basically this value is related to give the information regarding the inactivity or activity, and if it is 5 through 300 means that the number of minutes a job can be inactive before the action is taken. Okay, fine. Now the third value we are going to discuss is QINACTMSGQ. So here it is mentioned the qualified name of the message queue to which job inactive message will be sent if QINACTMSGQ is not star none. The message queue must exist before the system value can be changed to the message queue name. Both an object name and library name can be specified. Changes made to the system value take effect immediately. So what are the possible outcome? Possible outcome is star end job, which means the interactive jobs, secondary jobs and group job will be ended. Star DSC job, which means that interactive jobs, secondary job and group jobs will be disconnected. Now third one is message queue. Message queue name is the name of the message queue that receives a message when object has been inactive. So this is how it works. Okay, so from here you will find all the information, and if you want to learn more then you can refer the site, IBM official site, and then you will find all the information in there. Okay, so for now we will just copy it from here and paste it here along with the variable where we want to hold the output. So once this line got executed, we will be able to fetch the record in the variable. Similarly, I am doing this for line number 18 and line number 20 with other values. Okay, now we got the values, it's time to print the value. So for printing the value we will always use sndpgmsg command. So just simply write sndpgmsg, then press F4. There you will find the variable field where you can pass the variable, and if your variable is of type decimal then you have to convert this value into character by using percentage char built-in function. But if it is already in character, then it is fine, you can pass it directly. So first variable is decimal, so I'm converting it to character using percentage char, and other two values are already in characters, we are just passing it directly. So this is how we will print the values. So now we will compile this and see the output. It is compiled successfully. Now I am calling this. So first value we got is 0,0, second is start none, and third is start DSC job. So this is how we can utilize RTVSYSVAL command for retrieving the system values. So I hope it is clear to all of you, and that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechShare Myth.